Hey everybody, today I'm going to be putting some skirting on a manufactured home. It's pretty far out in the middle of nowhere, but I had to come to closest Home Depot or Lowe's to save on materials. 45-minute drive to the nearest Home Depot, but in the end it's going to save me at least $100, I would say, probably more. Today we're just going to at least pick up the materials, take them to the site, see if I can get some of the old skirting off. It's just a temporary thing. I won't go into all the details, but they just want to insulate it so the pipes aren't freezing, and right now what's there is pretty much deteriorating. So that's what we're up to today. We'll grab some materials, we'll get out to the job site, and I'll show you what's going on. Okay guys, I'm going to show you what we're getting into here. We're going to be taking off this paneling. You'll see the frames that are behind it, the insulation's behind it. I'm going to show you what we'll be doing to fix this problem up a little bit better. I've got some new sheets that we're going to put over top of it. So let's take a look and I'll show you what's going on here. This here's the best thing I've found to use for cutting insulation. Just a long blade, reaches all the way through, cuts it really nice. Okay, definitely use gloves when you guys are dealing with this stuff. It has fiberglass in it, it'll make you super itchy and crazy. There's these tabs on the sides. Those are what you staple in to the framing. It's gonna fit in here. These tabs are gonna go right over top of this once it's all the way up. And then I'm just gonna hit them with the staple gun. It'll be in there nice. We'll just do it all the way down. I was just thinking how I haven't had a problem with being under homes and stuff with all these spider webs, and then sure enough, look at this guy. This is a black widow, and it's a big boy, or a big girl. Yeah, that sucker, I mean, that's my finger. It's huge. Man, I'm not a very reactive person, but that black widow got me a little goose bumped out. I thought it was too cold for spiders and stuff. I don't usually have a problem with any of that. You gotta go back in here. Okay guys, I already went ahead and put one of these on. I got all the insulation done. So we're just gonna be doing these panels. Plywood panels, CDX, 1/2 inch. And get those put over top, and that's it. Okay guys, just wanted to show you I'm using these 1.5 inch, I believe, exterior T25 screws. These are bigger screws here. Exterior corrosion resistant. So you don't want to be using interior screws like gold screws or silver screws or drywall screws. That's what we're going to be using to put the plywood on, so in case you were wondering. Okay, we're also going to be using these grommet screws. They've got a little rubber washer around the head, 1/4 inch hex, 1 inch. These are going to put the flashing on over top of the plywood. So. Hours today. I don't work 8 straight hours in a row like that very often, and I get a lot done in 8 hours. I really thought I'd have that job finished, and I didn't get it on film, of course, but that chimney pipe sticking out that I've been dodging all day, right last time I walked by it, I was cleaning up underneath of it, and I ran right into it. It stuck me right in the neck and the shoulder and the jaw all at the same time. That's when you know you're tired and you're ready to go home. I'm excited to show you guys the finished product. You know, we're not building the Taj Mahal or anything, but it's always fun looking at the before and after. So by the time you're watching this, I hope you guys had a good weekend, and I will see you Monday.